Bro, fuck day trading. Like, seriously, fuck day trading. All these traders, right, and me included, everyone says they want to get into trading for freedom, right? That's like the number one thing. Obviously, you want money, but you want freedom. You want to do whatever the fuck you want. How can you do whatever the fuck you want when you have to be there at, let's say, London session? Think about it. If you've got to be at London session every single day, you're not really free, are you? You're not time free. So if you might, oh, I want to live in, fucking Thailand or whatever. You can't, like, you're gonna have to be up for London session. Like, whatever time that is where you live, you're gonna have to be up for that. Or if you trade indices, 9:30 open, New York time, you're gonna have to be, like, up for that. So people say that they trade for freedom, but are they really? Because what I've realized that the only real, like, freedom you can get in trading is swing trading. Do you know what I mean? I can show up whenever the fuck I want, trade literally whatever the fuck I want, whatever pair I want, indices, gold, commodities, crypto. I can, like, any of it. I can trade any of those pairs. I don't have to be there at a set time. I can do it whenever the fuck I want. So to me, swing trading is like real freedom, which is why I like it. And yeah, and if you ever, like, depends on the person, but if you ever got ambitions to manage like a few million in like real capital, not prop then like fake money, but like real capital, bro, you're gonna have to be a swing trader at some point because you can't fucking keep scalping, 5 pips and have like 50k behind that, can you? Can you? I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I like swing trade. I think it's better. I think it's easier. And yeah, yeah. And the good thing about swing trading is you don't get swept all the time. I tell you what, my bias is so good. I always predict where it's gonna go. But like on the 5 minute, 15 minute, I'm just getting battered. I keep getting swept, and then it goes straight to my target. And yeah, don't say it. And then don't say, oh, your stop's too tight. That's what it is. It's not. It's not too tight. It's fucking not. It's like 10, 15 pips. Like, do you know what I mean? It's a decent stop. It just. I don't know. I don't know. I think swing trade, or at least the hourly chart, like use the hourly chart and above. I think swing trading is the easiest way to trade. That's what I think. But yeah, yeah. But look, listen. If you can make money, tell me to shut the fuck up. If you can make money, you can make money. Like, don't listen to me. But yeah, if you can't make money trading, I'd look at swing trading. That's just my opinion.